What you doing, little Priss? What you doing? You nothing, baby? Put the camera on.
Hey guys, today we're going to review the Haloview BT7 Plus. The difference between the Plus and the regular BT7 is it comes with the two side cameras that you put in place of your marker lights on each side of your camper. I'll show you what comes in the box. It's a 7-inch monitor and it has a place for two antennas. It comes with a sunshade to keep the glare off of the monitor. It comes with a mounting bracket to permanently affix this monitor to your vehicle if you want to, with the little finger screws. It comes with a 3M mount that slides into the back of the monitor, and you can actually mount it, vertical or horizontal, and adjust it to your view. It comes with power adapters to power up the monitor system, and different come with all the antennas. So you get two for the monitor, one for a side camera, the other for the other side camera, and one for the rear camera. So these are the marker light cameras itself. So this is the passenger side. So the camera has the antenna here. And then that's the driver's side. It looks identical except for it goes this way. And then your rear camera has a antenna, can go here, and they suggest when you're mounting this to the surface like this that the antenna be leaned out 15 to 30 degrees away from your RV. If your rig is 42 to 65 feet in length and you're getting a glitchy image, or it drops out or whatever, you also have this antenna that you can mount on the roof of your RV and route the cable to the antenna port. So the mounting system for the back camera is your rubber gasket. You have a magnet mount, and has your power cord. And if your RV has a single-ended wire for the DC power, this is a terminal block to terminate to, then plug in the power cable. All stainless steel hardware and wire nuts. It also came with a couple of sticky back tie downs that you can use to route the cables. So that's what comes in the box. This system has a 65-foot capability for your rig. So if your rig's 65 feet and the camera is in the cab and the rear camera's in the back, 65 feet is roughly the length. It can be used as a surveillance system, and if it has an open range of 984 feet. So this actual monitor you could take, as long as you have 10 to 32 volts DC, you can power this guy up. It holds an SD card and you can have it set to record. It also has a speaker on the back, so you can hear what's going on through the cameras, because the cameras have a microphone. So you can hear what they're saying, but you can't speak to them, but you can hear what's being said or done, or any actions. And you can actually play back what it records on this monitor on your SD card.